Okay, so we just talked about how to post the totals from the sales journal to the ledger accounts. So if you remember what we said earlier, that there's an order in which we do that, we post the sales. The second journal then was we post the purchases journal. Well, this is just, it's basically the same thing, just a little bit more complicated in the fact that we don't, all we have is one column. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to post, and remember what we're doing is we're posting the total. So I realize that these two do not equal each other, but we're going to take the total here and we're going to post it to two separate accounts. We're going to post it to the purchases debit and then to the accounts payable credit. So we're going to take this first number, 48,575, and we're going to post it to the purchases account. So let's go to the purchases account. Let's find the purchases. Again, the date. Okay. And then we're going to put where the information came from. It came from purchases page 9, so P9. And did we debit or credit that? We debited the purchases for 48,575.25. And then we're just simply going to add those two together. So we're going to say this plus this gives us a total. What do we do with the 5110? Well, we got to take it back to the purchases journal. And we're going to put it in. Again, I'm going to bold this a little bit so we can emphasize this. But the 5110 is the first, we say that we've taken this total and posted it to that account. Now we're not done yet because we have to do the same thing with the accounts payable credit. So let's go back to the general ledger, the accounts payable credit. Again, the last date of the month. And we're going to put P9 as the number, P9. And we're going to credit that 48,575.25. And we're going to add those together. So we're going to take this plus this and get the total. Now the 2110 then goes back to the purchases journal, and all we do is we just add that to that. So we're going to put 2110. And that's all we're going to have to do. Now we could center that to make that look pretty, but all we've done is we've taken this total, we've posted it to 5110, which corresponds with the purchases debit. We've taken the 48,575.25 and put it to the accounts payable credit side and post reference it that way. So that's how you do the purchases journal. Now, if you remember in the order of stuff that we've talked about, we've posted the sales journal first, then we've posted the purchases, and then the third journal that we post is general. Now, here's the thing about the general is that if we take a look at that account, we have already posted all of that information. We've taken the $60, posted it there, the $420 there, the $789 there. We've taken and posted $789 to both of those accounts. So there's really nothing for us to do right now with the general journal. We've taken and posted all those numbers there. So what do we do next? Well, the next one then is to move on to the cash receipts journal. We'll do that in the next video.